Welcome to our channel, Like a Scientist. I'm Senior Scientist Jimbo.
And I am Junior Scientist Uni.
So, Uni, what experiment do you want to try today?
I want a colorful one. So I think it will need food coloring.
Do you want to play with some milk experiment?
Let's try it, even though you're not supposed to play with food.
So, milk, when you drink it, it'll make you stronger and taller. But certainly you can use milk for many experiments. Today, we are going to try the milk tie-dye experiment. Besides milk and full color, you will also need some measuring tools.
Paper plates and cotton swabs. What else?
You will also need some paper bowls, maybe a little bit of water.
You won't need this much, just a little bit.
So are you ready to get started?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Food coloring stains the clothes, so you may want to wear an apron or some clothes that you don't really, that are not your favorite. So I'm wearing an apron. So you can wear safety goggles.
So first up
is to pour milk into the plates.
So put a thin layer of milk
Then
into the plate. Thin layer of milk.
Then it looks better.
That good? And a thin layer of milk.
That should be good. Let's see if there's any leftovers. How thin is this? It's very thin. Let me pour some for you. Bubbles, I'm blowing milk bubbles.
Yeah, it's good to have no bubbles. Don't have bubbles. If you have bubbles,
pop them.
Pop them.
Yeah, I would not recommend you guys drink the milk that you popped unless your hands are super clean. We would not recommend you having bubbles in your milk. So I'm going to pick up the straw and continue pouring. Step 2 is get the small bowl, mix together 1 tablespoon of water and 1 teaspoon of dish soap. So this is for the measure. We need the measurement. We mix together 1 tablespoon of water. Pardon?
Spoon of water.
Pardon 1 tablespoon. So Jimbo's gonna pour the water and I'm gonna dump the water. Yep, we only need these waters. No. And now we're gonna need 1 teaspoon of dish soap.
1 teaspoon of dish
soap.
Okay. I'm gonna pour it in.
Pour it in.
And then mix them.
Liquid soap also works. Next, put some food coloring into the milk. So next, we're gonna put some food coloring into the milk.
So I'm gonna try.
Now put some food coloring into your milk. A few drops should work. Now focus on how. Now just put it.
Some
Dad,
drop.
one drop of each. Let's try one drop
Yeah,
of each
put
color.
one drop over here.
Here's some red. Ready food coloring.
Right.
Got some
Yeah,
yellow food coloring.
Right.
We do not want you eating this experiment. I mean, you can
Have
eat it right
some
now, but we wouldn't recommend you eat the
Blue.
thing that's after. So here's some green. I need blue right now.
Some blue. And I have some.
I have blue. So see how
Let's see
cool
what
it
I
looks
have.
right now? Next, get a cotton swab and dip it into the
So,
detergent water mix.
Let's take a look of yours. You want to take a look? Oh,
They don't move it.
yeah, I'm not
And
moving
now,
it.
touch it. Whoa! I want to try that again. Now, dip it into the detergent mixer and touch the milk. You can see how cool it looks. You want to try, Jimbo?
I'm gonna try mine.
Whoa! I thought it just made a bubble. Don't stir, important, don't stir.
So watch closely.
Important,
Magic is
the
coming.
water's contaminated now.
Ooh.
You see how cool that is?
Ooh.
I just saw a bubble. I made a bubble.
Ooh.
Yay.
Ooh.
Look how dirty this swab is now. Yes, I'm stirring the
Wow,
detergent.
that's beautiful. I'm
Whoa,
going
that's so
to
cool.
swatch to the other part and dip more soup.
Soup.
And,
By soup, he means detergent mixture.
oh, detergent. Wow.
It doesn't look anymore. I think I got it too contaminated. It's very cool. Okay. I
So
think
now
that
we
one
have
can go into
two
the swab
colorful milk
masterpieces.
paintings.
Just said.
Which one is more beautiful? Let's gonna do a comparison. Which one is more beautiful? So this is the one by Uni. This is the one by me,
Jimbo.
Jimbo, and I think mine looks pretty beautiful. See,
I
beautiful.
don't think Jimbo's is tie-dye enough.
I'm gonna try more.
I don't think Jimbo's tie-dye enough.
Let me try one more.
That's my personal.
So
Speaking of
not enough.
tie-dye,
I'm gonna pour some of the solution in. See, is it good enough? Oh.
Dang, I wanna try it on mine. Whoa.
Yeah, I'm gonna stir around. Oh.
Dad, can you give me mine? I wanna stir mine around. I wanna see what the end color is.
Look like a broken eggs.
That looks greeny. Greenish.
Uh,
I don't know, mine looks like a pastel rainbow right now. Look how pastel it is. Pastel means very light, if you don't know. It looks so nice. I personally, I think Jimbo's is too mixed up. So
yeah, mine's too mixed up.
I like mine, it's very light. It's very cute. I like it a lot. It's a wonderful masterpiece created by Uni.
This is my masterpiece. It's a milk.
Yours
and
is like a
almond.
green one. Mine is a rainbow masterpiece. Oop, there's bubbles. I'm gonna pop it.
So today we have tried the milk tie-dye experiment. I did mine have beautiful pictures, and Eugene did hers. She got beautiful pictures.
I like my rainbow. It's rainbow. It somehow it doesn't mix.
But Eugene, do you know why does this work? Why is this happening?
Let's throw that away. Jimbo, let's see why it happens in the science book.
So what does it say in the science book?
Let's see. It says, imagine the surface of a liquid is stretched like the surface of a balloon full of air. So, imagine the surface of liquids is a balloon full of air. Balloon, balloon, balloon. The scientific name for the way skin of a liquid holds together is surface tension. So, surface tension, when the skin of the liquid is broken by detergent, food colorings, and milk, move and swirl around in interesting patterns on the milk surface.
So there are surface tension in the milk. If you tie that in, it does not break because of the surface tension. When you add a detergent, it'll break the surface tension. The dye can penetrate. This is similar when we wash dishes. So when you have greasy place, when you pour water in, it does not penetrate it. So if you do that, your place is still dirty. If you add some detergent, it will have penetrated because the surface tension and clean the greasy stuff in your plates.
Guys, make sure not to eat this.
Yeah. So hope you have enjoyed our experiment today. So
see you in the next episode of Like a Scientist. And also, don't forget to like the videos and subscribe. Turn on all notifications so you will never miss a video. Now,